Very good morning, students. Hope you all are good. Students, today we are going to start a new grammar topic, that is verbs. Verbs and action words and doing words are same. Here in this picture you can observe which type of actions here kids are doing, like shooting, crying, swimming, running, praying, teething, eating, drinking, studying, standing. Okay. Now see what is verb. The words that tell what a person, animal, or thing does are called doing words. Doing words are also called action words, and action words are called verbs. All these three words are same. Now see, here also you can observe drink, read, write, run, jump, sleep, bake, cook, dance. All these words refer to actions. Now see the examples. The boy is eating food. Now which action is being performed? Of eating. The girl is sleeping. Here, sleeping is the action. The children are studying. So the word studying is action. The mother is cooking food. So which action is being done? Cooking. The cow is drinking water. Here, drinking is the action. The birds are flying in the sky. Here is flying. The children are playing with the ball. So, playing is the action. The baby is crying. Here in all the sentences you would have observed with the verbs the word ing is written all in these words. But now see few of the sentences with the verbs without ing. Now see, I ride my bike. Here in the word ride ing is not there, but it's a verb. I play video games. I swim in the pool. I walk my dog. So here ride, play, swim, walk, all these words are action verbs, and verbs are words that are used to describe an action, a state of being, or an occurrence or incident. Okay, happening of something. Now see the next example. My dog runs, jumps, and wags his tail. Here now we come to know that in one sentence there can be more than one action words also, more than one verbs also. So here in one sentence we have three actions: runs, jumps, and wags. See the next one. I like to dance and sing. Here also we have three verbs like, dance, and sing. Now see, here all these words are not ending with s or es. First of all, read the line given above. Verbs that come after I, you, we, they, and plural nouns or words do not end with s or es. It means we do not use s or es with the verbs if the sentence is beginning with I, you, we, they. Like here you can see the examples. I dance very well. You like apples. We will go to the school together. They are playing with a disc. Now see, when a verb comes after a singular noun, it ends with s or es. It means if the a sentence starts from singular noun or singular word like he, she, it, then in the verbs s and es comes. He dances very well. He dances, in the word dances, as is given over there. She goes for swimming daily. In the word goes, es has been added as according to the rule. Now see, from the one word, this rule has been displayed to you so that the concept can become more clear. Now see the use of lives. Singular noun and he, she, it means we use s or es with the singular noun and he, she, it. Now he lives in a small town. In the word live, s has been added. She lives in a small town. Joy lives in very beautiful city. Now Joy is the singular name. One person is there. So here with the word live we will put s. Now see in which words we will not put s. Plural naming words and I, you, we and they. I live in a small town. Here live is as it is. We have not put s. You live in a small town. They live in a small town. Joy and Olivia live in a small town. Here you can see Joy and Olivia are more than one person. So, for more than one person and with the words I, you, they, we do not put s. In the same way, this is the another example. She sings very well. My brother sings very well. Olivia sings very well. So all these are singular words. They all sing very well. We love to sing in concerts. They sing very well. Both my brother and sister sing very well. Here we have omitted S. We have not put S here. Now see few more examples. I drink a glass of milk twice a day. Here drink is the verb. I play the piano every day. Play is the verb. I like to eat ice cream. Here in this sentence we have two verbs like and eat. I eat ice cream every day. Eat is the verb. I write poetry every day. Write is the verb. Now here's the book exercise. Let us start. Find these doing words in the word grid and circle them. So here is the help box in which words are written: bake, hop, think, bend, jump, come, cry, fall, walk. So all these words you have to find out in this grid and you have to circle them, which I have already done for you. Now let's move to the next page. Page 50, Part A. Look at the pictures. Fill in the blanks with the correct doing words to complete the sentences. The rabbit dash a carrot. So, from the picture you can come to know it refers to eat. Okay, the verb eats will come because rabbit is one. So, here with the word eat, s will be added. The word will become eats. Priya dash in the park. Priya is one girl, so run will become runs. Priya runs in the park. The boat sails on the sea. Here singular word boat is given, so with the word sail s will be added and it will become sails. It rains every day. The cat sleeps on the pillow. Now B part. underline the doing words in the sentence. Miss Priya teaches us English. Here teaches is the verb. We swim in the pool. Here swim is the verb, action word. In the same way, you have to do all other parts. Now see here in C part, what's given there? Fill in the blanks with the doing words in the box. In the box, we have crawls, talks, sit, moves, give, cooks, walk, throw. Don't dash stones at animal. So here will come throw. Don't throw stones at animal. A train dash on the rail. A train moves on the rail. People sit on benches. Rahul cooks dinner on Sunday. Same way you have to do rest of the sentences. Now see next part. It is on 61 page. Part A is fill in the blanks with the ing forms of the doing words in the box. In the box, words are given drink, feel, go, eat, play, talk. He is dash cold. So here feel will come, and as upside is written, you have to add ing in that word. So it will become feeling. Okay. He is feeling cold. It will become continuous word. I am eating my lunch. Radha and Mary are playing. They are going to the market. Sonam is playing football. You are drinking. So we have added ing in all these words. Now see the next one. Here in the part B, fill in the blanks with the ing form of the given doing words. So same you have to do here also, like in sentence 1, Devi is talking to her mother. Here talk verb is given and you have to add ing in that. Now see page 63. Part C is fill in the blanks with is, am, are and ing form of doing words. So here you have to add helping verbs also and main verb also. All these words is, am, are called helping verbs, and eat, sweep, sleep, cook, cry, help, all these are main verbs. So you have to write as it is written in the part C, number 1, I am eating chocolate. So here with the word I, what will come? Am. I am eating. They are sweeping the floor. He is sleeping in his bed. My mother is cooking delicious food. Same way you have to do rest of the part. Now these are the rules of verbs which you have to do in your notebook. This is your homework. So this page and this another page you have to do in your notebook as homework. So that's all for now. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.